Hello friends, in today's video we'll learn about the test of significance approach, okay, for hypothesis testing. So in the hypothesis testing, as we know, we have two approaches. One is confidence level, confidence interval approach, and second is test of significance approach. So in the test of significance approach, the step is that we calculate the test statistics and then compare that calculated value to the critical value from the probability distribution tables. Okay, so those critical values you can find out from the Z table, T table, chi-square table, and F table, or we also tell them Z distribution table, T distribution table, and so on. Okay, so how we arrive at the conclusion to determine the outcome. Okay, see, if your calculated test statistics is in the critical region, how do you know the critical region? This is our critical region. Okay, this is the critical region. This is the critical region. So if your test statistics is the critical region, then we are rejecting the null hypothesis, and then we say that our test is statistically significant. But if our calculated test statistics is not in the critical region, we fail to reject the null hypothesis, and we say that our test is statistically insignificant. Suppose we found t calculated value is equal to 2.86. Okay, but we found the t critical from the t table, that is 1.96. So in case in this case we are finding that the t critical value is 1.96, negative 1.96, here it is 1.96, and 2.86 will fall to the right of that. Okay, 2.86. So you are going to reject the null hypothesis in this case. Okay, but if it is not in this rejection region, suppose our t calculated is about 1.86. Okay, suppose our t calculated is about 1.86. So this is when it is less than the t critical value. That means it will lie somewhere here, right? Somewhere here in this region. So it means it is not in the rejection region. That is why you are not going to reject the null hypothesis. Okay, so if your calculated test statistic is not in the critical region, we fail to reject the null hypothesis, and we say that our test is statistically insignificant. So that's for today, friends. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you very much.